What we're about to do today is probably going to get my barbecue card pulled. I'm from Texas, and burn ends are not a joke, but today we're going to make burn ends out of Spam. Spam gets a bad rap in the mainland United States, but in places like Hawaii, it's basically the state food. They use it for everything. It's super versatile, and the consistency and flavor is similar to that of ham. Most people get creeped out by the fact that it's basically zombie meat that lasts forever. We here, we're not scared, and we're gonna make this happen. If it's possible, we're gonna have Spam burn ends. Now, the first thing you gotta do, obviously, is open this bad boy up. I had to have my son help me because I can't hold the camera and open it, obviously. I don't have that kind of dexterity. But look at that beautiful piece of processed ham loaf or whatever it is. Now, the next step is very important, and it takes a keen hand and a lot of experience to slide that Spam right out like that. God dang, I was just friggin' bragging about how skilled I was. Son of a, come on, there we go. So now we're going to take one of these loaves and we're going to leave it whole. And we're going to cube up the other one because I'm really not sure what the best way to kind of attack this is. Now we're going to cut our chunks into 3 different sizes. We're going to make a smaller, a medium, and a large size. And we're just going to kind of see how these things shrink up on us. Now the only thing I really have to guess by is by pork belly, which does shrink up quite a bit while you're doing it. But there's a lot of added moisture in here, so I'm not 100% sure that that'll do that. The next step is going to be to season these. We want to season the crap out of these. You want a ton of rub on every side that's exposed. You really want to try and create a good bark on here. I'm not sure how that's going to turn out again. It said it has a very ham kind of texture to it, so I assume it's going to be similar to the outside of a ham. Now once you've got them all rubbed up, you're going to want to get your smoker up to about 300 degrees. We're going to throw these in. I think they're going to take about an hour, but we're going to check them in 30 minutes. And then we'll find out whether or not we need to keep them in for the rest of the hour. So an hour seems to be about perfect for these things. They're still soft, but I'm very stoked with how the color looks. The color is exactly what I wanted, and the outside feels like it has a bit of snap to it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cube up our bigger loaf. That way we can get it sauced properly, and I'm not talking about in the biblical sense. Now if you look here at this meat, you can see that all the fat has pretty much rendered out. So if we would have cooked these much longer, they would have been goners for sure. Now that we have both loaves properly cubed up and ready to roll, we're going to sauce them. Now I would choose a sweet sauce if I were you, because we really want something that's got enough sugar to caramelize on these. And now you basically just hit each side of each piece and get a good amount of sauce on there. Don't embarrass yourself, not in front of your mom, your family, your kids, whatever. Put the sauce on there. Show them that your sauce game is tight. Hit it with more sauce. Keep going. What do you think, you put too much on there? You probably haven't. And now that you got these pieces sauced like my dad every time he was supposed to pick me up and didn't, these bad boys are ready to go back on the smoker. Keep it at 300 degrees. I think it's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes. A little extra rub isn't going to do anything but add some extra flavor, so, don't skimp. And it took about 15 minutes, and these bad boys are perfectly glazed. They look ready to friggin' rock. Dude, I had no clue that these would be that good. What do you think? You like them? You sure? Yeah, you look very, very serious. Dude, that's so good, man. Guys, I can't tell you how surprised I am by how well these turned out. Are these going to take the place of regular burn ends? Are they going to take the place of pork belly burn ends? Probably not. But they are pretty good, and they're fairly inexpensive. So I would suggest giving them a try. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see us try. Seriously, we'll try anything. I pretty much will do anything for attention, so put it down below and we'll make it happen.